much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. As you can see here, you can watch pretty much a lot of drama series on this application here. So you can pretty much search and look for what you want to watch. Here you have some of these that I was watching. Very few, as you can see here. And any one of these drama series that you want to watch, you have to just tap on it. As you can see here, for example, I'm going to tap on this one here. And it will pretty much load up the drama series here. And as well, you can tap on the episode option here to pretty much go ahead and to see all episodes available for this drama series or any drama series. So let's scroll down a bit. As you can see here, some of these episodes are locked. So you're going to need gems to unlock these episodes. So for example, if I want to watch this episode here, I do tap on it. I may need to get, as you can see here, 26 gems to pretty much unlock this episode. So currently, I pretty much have 270 gems. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to get gems as well. But you're going to need gems to unlock it. And if you don't have any gems, you can pretty much go ahead and watch an ad. So just tap on icon there and watch an ad to unlock the episodes. So that's your way of pretty much watching your episodes on this application here. Some of them might be locked, but you can unlock them by watching ads or using the gems that you're going to have. And as well, you have the community section here. We'll just show you short clips of the popular drama series on this application here. Nothing much. You have the short option here where you can scroll and find other drama series as well. So in the game section here, this here is pretty much where you can earn gems as well. So in the game section, you'll be able to tap on any one of these and pretty much play it for a minute or two, and then you'll be able to get 60 gems. They don't tell you how much gems you get. You'll be getting pretty much playing any one of these games. But what I've realized, anytime I do tap on any one of these and then go back in the application, I still get the gems without playing it or anything like that. So I'm not know if that's cheating or anything, but you can do that as well. So we have other games you can play, and you can see quite a lot of them you can play, and some of them may say must play, so you may need to play them for a few to get the gems. But that's how you pretty much get free gems on this application here. So to pretty much get gems or purchase gems or cases, you can tap on the icon at the top here, or you can go to the me section and pretty much go here where it says gems center. Tap on that option there, and once you tap on that option, you'll be able to pretty much go ahead and get free gems by one.